Hey guys, this is Steve coming to you from sunny Florida where it's probably about 107 degrees right now. I want to give you guys a quick walk around our top of the line system. This is our street system with NPP option and polished tips. I thought I'd start this out by answering some of the more common questions that we get. First question is generally, what is the system made out of? The system is made from T304 stainless steel. That includes our flanges, our bellows, even our V-bands, tips. I'm going to go through the parts that make up the system. These bellows are directional bellows. This is important because the ripples here, without the directional sleeve, would slow down the flow of the exhaust gases, of course, robbing you of horsepower. These are what we call our street uppers. As you can see, they have a 12-inch resonator at the top. This decreases the sound of the exhaust by about 25% from our track system. So let's talk about how the NPP system works. Pretty simply, we have these valves here. They close off the butterflies located here. What this does is give you the ability to toggle through your factory controls to raise and lower the volume of your exhaust. The exhaust gases will come down through the uppers and be rerouted through these large stainless steel mufflers to quiet down the volume of the exhaust. They then go around what we call the candy canes, come back through on the other sides of the valve, and exit through the quad tip exhaust. Before we ship any of our systems, they're inspected and hydro polished. The hydro polishing cleans all the welds and also ensures that there's no debris left from manufacturing. Once the systems have been polished and inspected, they're then boxed and ready to ship to you. I'm Steve with Le Mans Edition, and I am signing off from sunny, super hot Florida.